Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add different shapes in Fusion and DaVinci Resolve. This is a powerful technique that lets you create custom graphics and overlays directly within your video editing workflow, giving you complete control over shape-based animations and designs. First, open your DaVinci Resolve application and let it load fully. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and click on Edit. This takes you to the editing workspace where you'll be setting up your composition before moving into Fusion. Now in the media pool, right-click anywhere in that area. From the menu that appears, select New Fusion Composition, then click Create. This generates a blank Fusion comp that acts as a container for all the shapes and effects you're about to build. Once it's created, drag this new composition down to your timeline so it's ready to work with. Next, right-click directly on the composition in your timeline and select Open in Fusion page. This switches you over to the Fusion environment, which is where all the node-based compositing happens. Give it a moment to load everything properly. Once you're on the Fusion page, check if you have a Media Out node in your node editor. If you don't see one, press Ctrl and space together on your keyboard. This opens the search bar. Type in Media Out, then click Add. This node is essential because it's the final output point for everything you create in Fusion. Now let's add your first shape. On the top left of the screen, click on Effects. This opens up a library of tools you can use. Click on Tools, then click on Shape. You'll see a variety of shape options appear, each with different properties and uses. For example, drag Ellipse from the list into your node editor. This creates an ellipse-shaped node. Next, drag Render into the workspace as well. The Render node is what converts your shape data into a visible image. Connect the Ellipse node to the Render node, then connect the Render node to Media Out. You should now see the ellipse shape appear in your viewer. If you want to customize this shape, click on Inspector in the top right corner. This panel gives you full control over the shape's size, position, color, and other properties. Take a moment to explore these settings and adjust them as needed. Now, if you want to add more shapes to your composition, go back to the Effects panel and drag another shape like rectangle into your node editor. To combine this with your existing ellipse, drag a Merge node into the workspace. Here's a helpful tip. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then drag the Merge node and position it between the ellipse and Render nodes. This automatically inserts it into the flow. Then connect the Rectangle node to the Merge node. You can keep adding as many shapes as you like. For instance, drag an S-star shape into the editor and connect it to the Merge node as well. Each shape you add will layer on top of the others, and you can control their blending and positioning through the Inspector panel. And that's it. You've now learned how to build multi-shape compositions in Fusion, giving you a solid foundation for more advanced motion graphics work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.